Scene script. Have you ever experienced the magic of a purifying clay mask? Let's delve into this skincare secret that's all about deep cleansing. A purifying clay mask is like a magnet for your pores, pulling out all the impurities trapped within. It's the ultimate detox for your skin, leaving you with a clarified and refreshed complexion. Imagine this: you've had a long day, and now it's time for some self-care. You apply a thin layer of this potent clay formula onto your skin. As it dries, you can almost feel it drawing out the dirt and oil, working to unclog your pores. You sit back, relax, and let the mask do its magic for 15 minutes. When it's time, you rinse it off, washing away all the grime. The result? Your skin feels like it's undergone a mini spa treatment. It's deeply purified, refreshed, and ready to take on the world. And there you have it. Your skin feels like it has undergone a mini spa treatment. Now, who's up for a rejuvenating sheet mask? You may wonder, what's so special about a sheet mask? Well, it's an absolute treasure trove of nourishing ingredients that work together to plump up your skin, resulting in a youthful, radiant glow. Imagine the sheet mask as a concentrated cocktail of skin-loving goodness, where each ingredient is carefully selected to provide maximum hydration and rejuvenation. Applying a sheet mask is a breeze. You begin by unfolding the mask from its packet. Then, gently place it on your clean skin, making sure it fits snugly around your facial contours. Once it's on, all you need to do is sit back and relax for 20 minutes. Allow the mask to infuse its potent ingredients into your skin, working its magic. When the time's up, remove the mask and marvel at your radiant and rejuvenated complexion. Voila! It's like your skin just had a big drink of water. For those with dry or dehydrated skin, have you tried a hydrating gel mask? This gem of a mask is the answer to your skin's thirst. Packed with moisturizing ingredients, it provides an instant hydration boost that leaves your skin feeling supple and glowing. Imagine a refreshing drink for your skin that rejuvenates it from within. Now that's what this hydrating gel mask does. The application is as soothing as the effects it promises. Simply smooth on the refreshing gel texture, sit back, and let the mask work its magic. It's a 20-minute indulgence your skin will absolutely love. As the mask seeps into your skin, it fills it with moisture, plumping up dehydrated cells and bringing back that youthful glow. Once the time is up, just rinse it off to reveal skin that's not only refreshed, but also plump and radiant. And just like that, your skin looks refreshed and plump, ready to take on the day. Last but not least, let's explore the wonders of an exfoliating mask. A key player in any skincare regime, the exfoliating mask is the secret weapon for revealing a brighter, more radiant complexion. Its primary role? To gently sweep away the dead skin cells that can leave your face looking dull and lifeless. Now let's talk about the application process. It's all about a gentle touch. Start by massaging the mask onto your skin for a minute or two. This isn't a race, so take your time to really work the product into your skin. Then, let it sit for 10 more minutes. This is the perfect time to sit back, relax, and let the mask do its magic. When it's time to rinse it off, you'll be amazed at how soft and smooth your skin feels. It's like a gentle kiss from Mother Nature herself. And there you go, a flawless canvas for your makeup. So there you have it, the ultimate face mask rituals for flawless skin. We've journeyed through the purifying depths of the clay mask, a veritable spa treatment that leaves your skin deeply cleansed and refreshed. We've reveled in the rejuvenating power of the sheet mask, a nourishing cocktail that imparts a youthful glow and plumps up your complexion. We've dived into the hydrating world of the gel mask, a thirst quencher that renders your skin supple and radiant. And finally, we've explored the renewing magic of the exfoliating mask, a gentle yet effective way to reveal a brighter complexion and create a flawless canvas for your makeup. This is more than just a skincare routine. It's a weekly ritual of self-love and care. It's about taking a moment to pamper yourself, to nourish your skin and boost your natural radiance. So why not give these rituals a try? Remember, your skin will thank you for it. So go on, unlock your glow.